Mini Gears is a privately owned manufacturing company operating from a modern 35,000 square foot facility in Cheshire. Sourcing, supplying and manufacturing metallic components on a global basis, Mini Gears are a one-stop shop for a variety of industrial products. Mini Gears have won many major international industry awards for innovation and subcontracting achievements.
My name is Phil Dowens and I'm Operations Director at Mini Gears. Mini Gears is a subcontract engineering company employing around 80 people with a turnover of £8 million. The company's been in business for 40 years and our business is subcontract manufacture of gears and transmission parts, and also more recently in the last 2 to 3 years we've also set up a business that brings in parts from the Far East, stocks those parts and sells them on to customers around the world. And we have a very wide customer base, including some small volume automotive clients, a lot of parts that we do for the stairlift industry, marine applications, in fact any application at all where machine parts and gears are required. It became obvious a few years ago that as Mini Gears began to expand, the current IT systems that we had in place were just not good enough for what the company needed. Basically what we needed was to integrate all our systems. Our systems such as sales, purchasing and finance were all run on separate databases and it became a bit of a problem to manage all these. Eventually what we did, we went through a process of elimination of looking at a few different vendors and eventually we decided that the EFACS system was the one for us. And the real beauty of the system is that for myself as a director, it brings together all the different parts of the company into one system and I can see exactly what's going on across the business at any time. Mini Gears have now been using EFACS for 5 years and we found many benefits to using the system. Previously we had many different systems covering purchasing, sales order and the accounting side of the business and the financial side. But what EFACS allowed us to do was to go with one complete system that allowed us to control the whole business right from the initial quoting stage all the way up to the final accounts and the final invoice. And it's allowed myself and the other directors to have a complete overall view of the business at any time. When we first implemented the system, we were very much a make-to-order business. We were traditionally a traditional subcontract manufacturer. But since that time, the company has doubled in size and we've started stocking a lot of parts. And the beauty of the EFACS system is that the system has grown as the company has grown. And we're now stocking around 6,000 part numbers, which we have to keep a track of. And the system has been of great benefit to us. During the 5 years that we've been using the EFACS system, we've been very happy with the stability of the system, the way the system has progressed, and also the support that we've been given whilst using the product. So I'm hoping that in the future, we'll continue to develop the very good working relationship that both Mini Gears and EFACS have together.